Fred, this is some bullshit. Like I said to you earlier, in response to your video, I appreciate the love and support that you've shown. But and being out here in this snow, but my mind, I need to hit these numbers in my mind because I set a goal. I don't want to slack on it. You know what I mean? So I don't want too much to hinder what I got to do. So I got to keep on doing it. You know what I mean? Even out here in the snow. Look at that. Look at that. All that snow. Look how slow this car moving. Watch. The car coming right now. You see the car moving slow? Watch. See that? It's crazy out here. Snowing, and snowing. But guess what? I'm gonna get up tomorrow, regardless of the inclement weather. I'm gonna get up a little earlier. And I might have to walk a little slower. But I'm gonna get it in. Peace.